Welcome to Simple Bakes. On this episode of Simple Bakes, we show you how to make banana bread that requires so little ingredients and is so tasty. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And remember that every video we make is simple. So for this recipe, you're going to need half of a cup of butter or 1 stick of butter. Make sure it's softened. A cup and a half of flour. 4 teaspoons of baking powder or simply 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half of a teaspoon of vanilla powder or vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, you're going to need 2 1/3 of a cup of mashed ripe bananas. Make sure they're ripe. You're also going to need 3/4 a cup of brown sugar and 2 eggs. So now, you're going to put your dry ingredients in a medium-sized bowl. I already put my dry ingredients in a medium-sized bowl, but now all I have to do is mix them. Now that we mixed all our dry ingredients, we're going to add in our butter into a large bowl. And then we're going to add in our brown sugar. Now all we have to do is mix. Once you mix your sugar and butter, this is how it should look like. Now I'm going to go over to our bananas, mashed bananas. And here I beat our 2 eggs. I'm gonna pour the 2 eggs into my banana mixture and simply just mix. Mix it until you cannot see the eggs. So as you guys can see, I mixed my eggs with my banana. And I'm simply going to pour into my butter and sugar mixture. And I'm going to whisk that all together. So this is how it turned out. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my dry ingredients that we previously mixed. So put this in. And we're just going to mix it all together. But make sure not to overmix, because it'll really just taste dense if we overmix. So this is how it should look now, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this into a 9x5-inch loaf pan. Now, the last step to do is put it into our preheated oven at 350 degrees for about an hour. But just keep on checking it with a skewer or a toothpick, and if the skewer or toothpick comes out clean, that means it is done. As you can see, I put half of it chocolate chips. This is optional. You can put chocolate chips, walnuts, pecans, or you can just leave it plain, whatever you like. This banana bread is so tasty that I went to take a picture, but I couldn't take a picture because all the banana bread was done. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what we should make next. We'll see you next time on Simple Bakes. Enjoy!